Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to buy more storage on iCloud. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch Open the Settings app from your iPhone or your iPad. Now tap on your name at the top of the screen and then tap on iCloud. Tap on Manage Account Storage at the top and choose the storage plan that is available on the display. Simply go ahead and tap on the Upgrade button and select your plan from the list. Apple offers various plans ranging from 50 GB to 2 TB. Simply go ahead and tap on the Upgrade to iCloud Plus option and then follow through the prompts. And that is how you will be able to upgrade or buy more iCloud storage on your iOS device. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.